Hey guys, Garo from the Living Nexus. I'm here today on 4th of July. We're going to be cooking up some shish kebab and then some fries, salad, and I'm going to show you the grilling part, and then I'll show you a plate, and then we'll have some fun. I hope you guys are having a good 4th of July weekend. Let's get on with it. All right, here we go. I've got the grill warming up. I use this thing called the Grill Rescue. So we're gonna start putting on some of this meat. We'll go ahead and start with this chicken since it's gonna take a little longer to cook. So we've got some marinated chicken thighs today. This is my mom's, let's call it, I guess, a secret recipe that she loves telling everybody how to make. But one of these days, if you guys are interested, get the recipe, show you guys how to make it. So we'll just go ahead and lay all of these on there. So that's good. And this is the shish kebabs that are not on skewers. And we'll get those on in a bit. Cool, let's give it a look. All right. So let's see if we got some color on this. Oh yeah, beautiful. That's kind of what we're looking for. All right, got all these flipped. I'm gonna go ahead and put the shish kebabs on. I call them shish kebabs. It's like a Middle Eastern thing. They're not really shish kebabs. All right, grab my other tongs. Let's get these on. Cool. Let's let that go for a bit. I've had this chicken running for a bit. Let's take a look. These are looking great. Starting to get some color. It's looking pretty good. I'll go ahead and start flipping these over. These aren't going to take too long to cook anyways. We'll let that go for a few more minutes. Chicken's right about there. And then we'll throw the rest of the meat on. Let's go ahead and start moving some of this chicken out. I'm going to move it up here for now. Second round of steaks. Now I'm going to make some of these steaks closer to medium and some of them well done. I'm going to kind of be all over the place. My family sometimes like it more well done. If it were me, these would be medium rare. Alright, let's see what's happening. Give each one a quick flip and then take it off because these are definitely ready. And then we'll go ahead and spread the rest of it out. Cool. Let's start taking some of this off. Why don't you guys put in the comments below how you like your meat cooked? Are you a well done type of guy or gal? Or are you a medium well, rare? How do you like your meat? Also, if you guys enjoyed this video so far, consider subscribing or liking. For you guys out there that are already subscribed and follow me, I appreciate you coming back to watch. If there's something you'd like to see me do, please feel free to let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. Sorry about the noise, guys. That is the AC. It is currently 90, 95 in the valley. It is hot. So we're gonna take a look at this chicken. Pretty certain they're all ready to go. Let's just go ahead and take all this off. All right, these steaks are looking pretty good as well. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. These are slightly less cooked than the other ones. All right, I'll give this grill a quick wipe down and then we'll get the sujuks on. Let's give this a quick wipe down. Let's give it a quick spray and throw the sujuk down. Let's turn the heat down. This is some greasy stuff. So these are like deli style meats that you can eat raw because they're cured. But you can also eat it cooked, grilled. This thing goes great with some eggs, goes great with cheese sandwiches. Man, it is the definition of like comfort food. It's so good. Got like a spicy, hearty, I've been eating this stuff since I was a kid. My two favorite ways of having it is grilled and in eggs. I love slicing these up into like pepperoni shaped things and then throwing them in the pan, getting that like grease out, and then break in some eggs in there, throw some potatoes. Oh man, it's a good meal. Most Middle Easterns use this as a hangover cure. As you can tell, this side's already done. Give it a quick flip. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then we'll go ahead and assemble a sandwich. So let's do that next. So these are ready to go. So that's what we're working with. As you can see, the grease is just running down. And again, some members of my family are going to be eating this as is, and some of them want it in a sandwich. Cool, we got all of them out. Now I'm going to assemble the sandwich. I'll show you how that looks in a sec. Here we got the bread. Gonna go ahead and put feta cheese, and then I'm gonna put some tomatoes. Like that. I'm gonna go ahead and push it. Let's go ahead and give this a quick flip. This one a flip. Boy. All right, guys, I'm back in the kitchen. We got the sujuk sandwiches here. We got fries, sujuk, chicken, and shish kebabs. So let's go dive into the shish kebab real quick. Nice. It's a medium. Still juicy. So good. Very well seasoned. You can definitely taste the marinade. Look how tender that is. Let's try the chicken. Cook through. Oh yeah, that's good chicken. All right, here's the sujuk. Exactly how I remember it. I'm gonna take a bite out of the sandwich. This thing's massive. Bread's super fresh. That's good stuff. You guys should get out there. You guys should grill, try new things, and I hope you guys enjoy your 4th of July. I'm Garo, this is the Living Nexus. I hope you guys learned something new, enjoyed what I did, and go out there and have some fun. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.